Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the falling a broken tone in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. The falling a broken tone is one of the most complicated things in Vietnamese for non-native speakers who want to speak Vietnamese with a northern accent. Now let's see how one of my students producing the falling a broken tone. The falling a broken tone, dấu hỏi, is produced by combining an air with the low falling broken tone. Now let's see how to make the falling a broken tone, dấu hỏi. We're gonna start by a word without tones. We are on the solid note. Now you're preparing to make your voice a little bit lower and push a air out of the mouth like you're slightly coughing, and then immediately cut off the sound at the end to make the falling a broken tone. I'm going to give you an example here. I have the word ca without tone. Now I'm going to push a air out of my mouth and immediately cut off the sound. I'm going to do it a little bit slowly so that you can feel the sound. Ca ca ca. Now I'm going to do it a little bit faster so it sounds a little bit more naturally. Ca ca ca. Let's practice saying some paired of words. The first word is with the low falling broken tone, and the second one is with the falling a broken tone. Ma ma. Có có. Mơ mơ. Mộ mộ. Vợ vợ. Phụ phụ. Nội nội. Mạnh mạnh. Chạy chạy. Cộng cộng. Chuyện chuyện. Củ cải. Mở cửa. Nhổ cỏ. Bảo thủ. Thủ thị. Tỉ mỉ. Sủi cảo. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the falling a broken tone. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Thảo, cẩn, thận, mở, cửa, sổ. Now a little bit faster. Thảo, cẩn thận, mở, cửa sổ. Now with normal speed. Thảo cẩn thận mở cửa sổ. Bảo, rửa, rổ, củ, cải. Now a little bit faster. Bảo, rửa, rổ, củ cải. Now with normal speed. Bảo rửa rổ củ cải. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.